Hi friends, I am Tyagaraja. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see voucher numbering and delete or cancel financial transactions. Before going to the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get future updates. First one, voucher numbering. Different types of voucher numberings there in Tally.ERP9 we are going to see. Second one, delete or cancel financial transaction. Once entry is posted, if you want to delete any transactions, before that you should know that how it will create impact on the financial reports or other transactions. Next we are going to see voucher number configuration and delete or cancel option in Tally.ERP9 application. Finally, key point to be remembered. Let's see different types of voucher numbering. In that, first one is by default system will generate automatic number. Second one is manual number. We can manually enter those numbers. Automatic manual number. In this case, system will generate one number. Manually we can able to overwrite those numbers. Let's see sales invoice auto numbering. Means we have taken example for sales invoice. If you are using auto numbering, the number will start automatically one by one. So we have selected few transactions, that each transaction having some value. Total sales in this register 1,30,000. In case if you want to delete any transaction, if you example we will select the invoice you want to delete or cancel, first we are going to do cancel option. If I click on cancel, what will happen? Amount getting changed. Instead of 1,30,000, it is reduced to 1,10,000. The number remains same. The voucher numbering, it will remain same. Instead of cancel, if you deleted those transactions, let's see how it will create impact on your report. Here transaction will be replaced. 5 will become 4. And 6 will become 5. For next transactions, by default it will take the next number 6. Delete and cancel option you can use for whatever the reason you want, but before that you need to make sure it should not create a problem for current transactions register as well as the current report. In case you already generated report, based on report you are already taken some decision. Now you find out that some value difference in the system due to that you have deleted some transaction or you cancelled the transactions. It will create a major problem for you. In another case, after filing the tax return in that particular period, you have deleted some of the transaction. It will become legal issue. If you cancel the transaction, you can identify the transaction. Then is any remark is there for that cancelled transaction? You can easily resolve that issue. If you are deleted those transactions, the number is replaced with the deleted number. Now it's difficult to identify the deleted transactions. Now let's see manual numbering transactions. Here the transaction number you need to update manually. You need to remember the transaction number. In this manual numbering, in case if you are cancel the transactions, it will create impact on reporting value. Instead of cancel, if you deleted those transactions, the transaction number it will be same as it is. For example, if you delete means it won't replace with the previous number, which number we are already deleted. Since we are using manual numbering for these transactions, we need to make sure that transaction number should be in order. For next transaction number, we need to update manually. Let's see auto manual override number transactions. Here the number will be generated automatically. So each transaction having some value. If we want to cancel those transactions, once click on cancel, the total report value getting reduced. Then instead of cancel, if you deleted those transactions, the voucher numbering will be remain same. While posting next transactions, by default it will select the next number for that transaction. Let's see in Tally application practically. If you want to configure voucher numbering, from the gateway of Tally screen, click on account info. getting to voucher type. There you need to select alter. We are already having one sales invoice. We are going to choose sales invoice. Here by default it's selected automatic. The voucher numbering is automatic. So there is option called automatic, manual overriding, manual. If you are using multi-user, the multi-user numbering also there. And one more option is none. In this voucher type we are going to select automatic numbering. There is one more option called use advanced configuration. Once make it yes, it will get into another field. Here we need to give that number, starting number with. So if you want to start from 1 or you want to start from 101, you know, define it. And width and numerical part, how much width you want on that numbering. Next you need to enter restarting numbering applicable from and starting number. How you are going to generate that restarting number, whether daily basis or monthly, yearly or quarterly, weekly, you know, define that. Normally we will select yearly. Next, if you want to, you can give prefix applicable from. Any prefix you want to give, you can type that shortly. Here we have mentioned SINV, and we can able to add suffix for that transaction number. Here we are entered financial year. Now we are going to save the screen by clicking on enter and accept the screen. Next, manual numbering. We are already created separate voucher type, sales manual under sales only. We are going to select voucher numbering is manual. Prevent duplicate option should be yes. Here there is no option for applicable date from. Enter and save the screen. Next we are going to see auto manual overriding. Here you need to choose auto manual overriding. Prevent duplicate option should be yes. Here also we can able to give prefix and suffix like automatic number. Enter and save the screen. Now let's see after posting transaction, delete and cancel option. If we get into display, click on daybook. We are already posted some transaction in 3 different voucher type by using different type of voucher numbering. We can able to filter by pressing F4. Voucher type wise register. We are going to select here sales automatic voucher numbering. We are already given prefix and suffix, that's why the number is showing that much length. The total value of the transaction, you can see the 1,30,000. We are going to delete one of the transactions, invoice number 4. Similarly how we did in that presentation part. Bottom of that register you can able to see there is an option called delete and cancel. The first we are going to cancel that particular transaction, invoice number 4. Once click on cancel, you can see that transaction number it is as it is, remain same, but only the value get changed. The total voucher registered values, instead of 1,30,000 it will become 1,20,000. Once you get into the cancel transaction, you can able to see that there is no transaction value. We are going to delete those transactions. Once deleted, you are already deleted invoice number 4, but currently the next number is replaced with the deleted number. 5 become 4 and 6 will become 5. Next we are going to see manual numbering. If we click on F4, we are going to filter that sales voucher type manual. Once click on cancel option, that value getting changed, it won't create impact on voucher numbering. Once click on delete, it will create impact on voucher numbering. In the sales register, you can see after 3, the next number is 5. But if you want to add voucher or insert voucher, the next number you need to define manually. Now we are going to see auto manual number. In the auto manual number voucher register, we are going to delete invoice number 4 again. Here also we are going to cancel this transaction first. Once cancel the transaction, it won't create impact on that voucher numbering. It will create impact on that report value. Once deleted those transactions, it will create impact on voucher numbering. Once if you delete it, you can see that number is skipped. After 3, there is a next number is 5 and 6. If you want to add voucher, the next number will be 7, but we can able to manually override those auto numbering. Now let's see key points to be remembered. First point is you need to take a tally data backup regularly or periodical interval basis. Second one is you need to reconfirm the financial transaction in case by using current transaction you might have generated some report or filed the tax return. Next, you need to keep some remark for cancel or deleted transactions in the same application itself or outside of the application. By mistake or human error, you have deleted or cancelled those transactions. Those cases you can insert or add those financial transactions. Instead of cancel and delete, you can reverse those transactions by entering the remarks. I hope we have shared some valuable information to you in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell for get more future updates and instant updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned. Every day something new to learn.